Hey everyone, it's Tina with Create with Tina. Thank you for joining me today. I had an aha moment, so I thought I would do this video. It's just going to be quick, short, sweet, straight to the point, but I also think maybe a lot of you already have thought of this or have done it, but for me, I was like, oh, so I wanted to share it. So if it's not new to you, go ahead and leave me a comment and tell me your favorite ways you use them. And if it is new to you, tell me what you're looking forward to doing with it. So this is a paper pumpkin box. And if you're a paper pumpkin subscriber, you know that you can get one of these sent to your house every single month. And it's filled with really awesome goodies. And as you use it and make your cards, you have fewer and fewer supplies in this box, and you can eventually throw them away. Or you can do like I do. I take everything that came in my paper pumpkin, the leftover parts, and I stick them all inside this envelope. And then I store my stamps in a smaller envelope, which I have shown on another video about how not to lose the mini stamp sets. And this saves up so much space from storing all of these partial kits in these boxes. But I was feeling bad about recycling these all the time because they are cute boxes. And I had heard people say that they use them. They just turn them inside out. And I thought, okay, let me do it. And I did not realize how easy it was. So I thought I would show you. Let me zoom out a little bit and show you how easy it is to turn these inside out. Now, of course, some of them come and they're really cute. And then a lot of them come and they're just this orange color. And so look, there's no adhesive. You simply just kind of, pull it apart just like that. And you have this fun flat box. And all I did literally while watching football yesterday was flip it over. As you can see, this is my newest kit. I was playing with it, turned all of my cards into scrapbook layouts. So far I've done 6 pages with the Fall for Tall card kit and didn't need the box anymore. So just kind of fold on all of those lines, and then all you do is pull all of these little guys in, pull them in, and we'll do one side at a time and tuck this back together. Boom. Tuck this one back together. Boom. Pull these in. Oh, I forgot to fold that flap. Fold that flap. And we have a great little storage box now for different things. And what got me thinking about it is I'm going away on a retreat. I always go once a year for 5 days to the beach here in Oregon over Veterans Day. And I like to organize all my different things that I take to have them easily handy. So, of course, I can throw tools in here or all my adhesive, because for 5 days, you need a lot of adhesive. I could throw markers in. That's one thing that they roll around a lot. But then I was trying to think of, besides me taking it to the beach, and I would use my little label printer or just write on it what's in the box. What else would I use it for? And so here's one idea. Here it is. This is a box of supplies. I am working on a project sheet for a Christmas card kit using the Christmas Tags and More DSP. So you can see this is the 6x6 Christmas Tags and More DSP, and it fits right in the box. And then I'm also using the Greetings for You Mix and Match ephemera because they work perfectly with this. They have adhesive on the back, so they're ready to go. I don't even need adhesive. See that? Those are their sticker sheets. Of course, I just throw them in the stamp case. That fits in here. This is a half pack I haven't broken into. This is a pack with all the pieces that are left over in my little storage envelope that I store my 6x6 paper in. And it does fit better one way than the other. And then I threw in some card bases. I threw in the ephemera, I threw in the ribbon. So if I wanted to make a quick grab and go box to take somewhere, I have that. There you go. But then the other thing I do a lot is I keep a box of cards that are ready to be written in and mailed out. So this one has some of my current Christmas cards. I even have envelopes, stamps, and a pen stuck right in there. So that, let's say I'm traveling to one of my kids' sports events in the car, I can take this and write up a few cards on the way. Or if you get car sick, then I can write them up when I have a little bit of time in between. So this was also a card kit, but it was one of the kits that come monthly that don't require a subscription. Stampin' Up! Comes out with 2 of these every month, so this came from a regular kit. But this particular box, I started throwing in Christmas cards because it's getting to that time of the year where we are going to be writing our Christmas cards, and rather than doing it all at once, I can grab this box and go and do a few at a time, or I can even do it like if I'm binge watching a show on Netflix or I'm watching a movie with my family. I can do it that way. This is the box. This is what I was saying. All the kits, the regular monthly kits, come in boxes like this. And this is just cards that I've had in there that as I make cards with Stampin' Up, I throw them in a box after I've shared them, and they are ready to go when I want to send a card to someone. And again, I've got the envelopes in here. I've got my pen. I've got the stamps, and I can quickly get a card sent out that way because these are cards that I can grab and go and work with. So that's just what I wanted to share with you. I thought it was so clever when everyone said just turn your paper pumpkin box inside out, and it really was easy to do. If you're super fancy, you could decorate the inside too if you wanted. I'm not that fancy. And then I do like storing the excess, the leftovers in these envelopes. I'll put a link in the description because I know a couple of you will ask, but then I store them just like this in a little container in my office, and I can flick through. If your container's wide enough, you can store them this way, and you can flick through and see which kit. So if you have any leftover parts that you haven't used, it's such an easy way to keep it all together. So anyway, thank you for watching and indulging me in my aha moment and how easy it was to take a product that we might otherwise have just tossed in the recycle and to put it to good use. All right, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, feel free to subscribe. I'm trying to send out videos on a regular basis, so I will talk to you guys later. Bye.